go. Good, yeah. Let's go. right, guys, this is KP. I know it's kind of a little windy here, but we're trying to see if we can get this non-windy stuff. A second here. All right, guys, this is KP. I hope you guys can hear me. I know that this is near the end right now. It's everyone having a great. I'm here at the Merced LAO Boat Race Festival, the first one that is ever going to happen here in. That's going to hopefully every year. Great turnout, a lot of great people. Been a long day. I've been here all day, so you can see all around us. Music's playing. A lot of great people going. It is crazy. It is. Everyone have a good time, families and friends. So I share that with you guys. It's getting late already, so the sun is coming down. But overall is everybody's having a good time here, guys. So that's all we're here for. We're having a good time. That's all that matters. So I'm excited to share with you guys some of the things that's happened here. So I'll talk to you guys soon, man. Okay.
Any nurse in the house, please come help. All right, another lost and found. No? Okay, someone lost his phone. If you found the phone, please come forward. Please come forward. I see her standing up. She should be okay. She's walking now. It's okay. Alright? Okay, let's clear the area for her. If there's any nurse in the house or doctor, please come help. She said, okay. No, my bad. Okay. Alright. Responsibly, please. All right, for those who drink, if you drink, please don't drive home. All right. Make sure you got Bible. Let's go, and drink responsibly, please. Let's go, let's go. Okay, let's clear the area for us, please. Is there any nurse or doctor in the house? Please help. All right, let's continue. Okay, let's go. I can't. Okay, a tiger in the house. Come on, a tiger. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go.
อ้โอ้โอ้โอ้ขึ้นแล้วลูกโอ้เห็นบอลลงมาจอดบอ
จ้าเอาเชิญ